student. Welcome back to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English from Albion Public School situated in Kolhapur, Gorakhpur. Student, in my previous video, we have to learn the poem Clouds, which is given in your New Chance English Reader book. And now today's video, I'm going to explain the exercises of this chapter. So for that, you all take out your New Chance English Reader book and open page number 17. So student, on page number 17, there is the exercises. So firstly, we are going to solve the exercise A. In exercise A, there is write T for true or F for false. So student, what will we do in this exercises? So we have to write T for the right statement and F for the false statement. So student, you have to take out your pencil and after that you have to mention date of today on your book, okay? And after that you have to read the given sentences one by one, and after that you have to decide that this statement is true, so for that you have to write T, or this statement is false, so you have to write F, okay? So firstly, there is a first statement, the first sentence is the white sheep are in a shape. The white sheep are in a shape. So student, tell me this sentence is true or false? So first is, as you can see, there is a first already done. So you have to write here F because this statement is false. So you have to write F here, okay? And after that, second statement, second sentence is the white sheep stands still when the wind stops. The white sheep stands still when the wind stops. So tell me, this sentence is true or false? So we already learned in the poem that there are white sheep in the clouds, and when the wind stops, that time all the white sheeps are stand still when the wind stops. So student, we have to write here true because it is true that when the wind stops, the white sheep stands still when the wind stops, okay? Now moving to the next, there is a third sentence is the white sheep walks slowly when the wind blows. The white sheep walks slowly when the wind blows. So we have already done in the poem that when the wind blows, you walk away slow. So here are given sentences true. So we have to write T. Okay? We have to write T here. Now the next. Come to the next. This next is number 4. So in number 4, there is sentence. The sun makes the white sheep walk away slowly. So student, in number 4, there is a sentence that the sun makes the white sheep walk away slowly. And we have already learned in the poem that when the wind blows, the white sheep walk away slow. So here our given statement is the sun makes the white sheep walks away slowly. So tell me, this is true or false? So it is false statement, okay? So we have to write here on the given blanks F. Okay? So student, one more time, we are going to revise this exercise A. So there is a first stage, the white sheep are in a shape. So this statement is false. So we have to write F here, okay? Because the white sheep is not in shape, they are in the clouds, okay? After that, second is the white sheep stands still when the wind blows. So when the wind stops, so it is true. So we have to write T here, okay? Now after that, next third is the white sheep walks slowly when the wind blows. So it is true. So we have to write T here. And after that, number 4, the last one is the sun makes the white sheep walk away slowly. So it is false. So we have to write F here, okay? Now moving to the next exercise. The next exercise which is given in your book, that is exercise number B. What is this? So read aloud with teacher. You have to read this given words with your teacher. So student, you have to repeat along with me. Okay. So firstly, there is. So student, there are. You can see there is the A, E, I, O, U. You have already learned about this, that A, E, I, O, U, these are the 5 vowels in alphabets. Okay. So we going to read this word. Okay. So firstly, there is a word of A. Okay. So there is a first word is C-A-T, cat. What is this? You have to read this word along with me. Okay. So first is C-A-T, cat. Okay. What is this? C-A-T, cat. After that, the next word is H-A-T, hat. What is this? H-A-T, hat. After that, next one, there is a third one is M-A-T, mat. What is this? M-A-T, mat. Moving to the next, there is R-A-T, red. What is this? R-A-T, red. So now next one, there is the alphabet words of E. Okay. So there is alphabet E. We going to read the words of E. First is bed. B-E-D, bed. What is the spelling of bed? You know that? So tell me what is the spelling of bed? So it is B-E-D, bed. After that, next word is hand. What is the spelling of hand? H-E-N, hand. Now the next is pen. P-E-N, pen. Now the next W-E-B, web. Okay. So one more time we are going to read C-A-T, cat, H-A-T, hat, M-A-T, mat, R-A-T, red. After that, B-E-D, bed, H-E-N, hand, P-E-N, pen, and W-E-B, web. So now the next vowels word of I. Okay. So there is a first F-I-N, fin. Okay. First is F-I-N, fin. Second one is B-I-D, bid. Third is L-I-P, lip. And the next one is ship. S-I-P, ship. Okay. Now moving to the next. There is the next vowel words. Vowel letter is O. So there is first is cot. C-O-T, cot. Next is D-O-T, dot. After that, next is F-O-X, fox. Now the next is hot. H-O-T, hot. Okay. So student, it's over of A, E, I, O. There is the next, number 5 is U. There is the next vowel letter is U. So we are going to read the words. There is a first word is cup. C-U-P, cup. What is this? The spelling of cup is C-U-P, cup. Now the next is cup. C-U-B, cup. Now the next N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. After that, the next one, last one is sun. S-U-N, sun. So like this, you have to read this all words along with me in a loud voice. Okay. So student, you have also learned it. So one more time, we are going to read this word. So there is first is cat, second is hat, mat, red. Okay. The vowel sound E. So there is bed, hand, pen, web. Now the next vowel sound is I. So there is fin, bit, lip, sit. Okay. Now the next one is vowel sound of O. So first is cod, dot, fox, hot. Okay. And now last one is vowel sound of U. So there is cup, nut, and sun. So like this, you have to learn this given word, and you have also write it in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay, student. So now moving to the next, there is a next one is which is given on page number 17. So student, there is a exercise C. So what will we do in exercise C? So there is, what do you think are the white shape? Take the correct words. So here are 3 examples. You have to take the given correct words. Okay. So what do you think that what are white shape? So we have learned in this poem that white shape are in clouds. Okay. They are in a cloud. So we have to take the correct option cloud which is given in second. Okay, there is a 3 option. First is the sky, second is clouds, and third is a star. So white shape is a clouds. Okay, here are white shapes are clouds. So we have to take the option number second, which is correct. So like this you have to complete your exercises which is given in this poem. So like this you have to complete it. So student, that's it for today. I hope you all are understood that how to complete your exercises in your book. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching the video. Thank you.